ready to transform your phone into a money-making machine. Today, we're diving deep into how you could potentially earn a quick $50 online using the Taptap Send app. This app facilitates money transfers, and what's really cool is, it sometimes offers incentives. Step 1. Understand the basics. Taptap Send is primarily for sending money internationally. However, keep an eye out for their promotions. That brings us to step 2. Explore referral programs. Many financial apps offer referral bonuses. Check within the Taptap Send app itself. Under a section like Invite Friends or Refer a Friend, look for a link or code that you can share. Step 3. Promote your referral. When you find your referral code, share it far and wide. Post on your social media accounts. Tell your friends, family, and anyone who frequently needs to send money abroad. Step 4. Know the terms. Remember, each program could have a specific set of rules, so always read the fine print. This might include minimum transfer amounts or the countries a user must send money to in order for the referrer to receive $50. Step 5. Get registered. If you haven't done it already, download Taptap Send from your app store and get registered. Following the app's instructions. This process usually requires providing your basic personal details and payment information. Step 6. Maximize opportunities. Keep an eye out for limited promotions. Taptap Send might offer special incentives from time to time. Step 7. Patience. You might not unlock the $50 instantly, but it's a good potential strategic. Remember, earning money online with Taptap Send depends on a few factors, so get started today by finding out more about the potential of this app and use it to earn that passive income.